I got a 2013 Mercedes C250. It's the W204 4-cylinder inline, and I had a problem with the starter. I had to pull the starter. Now this is not hard at all. It's not hard at all. You just gotta know where the bolts go. It's on the driver's side. So you can see this is the driver's side. I'm gonna get under the car here. Oops. Drop my keys. Alright. So you see where the oil pan is? Right here. Right here is the oil pan. As you can see, let me zoom out right quick. I can only zoom in. Alright. This is the oil pan drain right there. Right above it is where the starter goes. Alright, so it's right next to the transmission. Out there it's going to be a long bolt that connects. Hold my phone. It's gonna be a long bolt that connects right here, and then up here, and then it's gonna run through here. It's not gonna have like a nut on it. You just take that off, and the starter will come right out. Now there's gonna be two screws on top of the starter. I think that's the ground and the where the power comes in, and you just take those off. I think you need a 13 and a 10 millimeter ratchet, but I mean that's really about it. It's very easy. You know, when I was trying to start the car, I was worried that it was the steering wheel lock sensor, but when you put the key in it and I turn the key, it goes zzz, it's the little zip sound. That's a good thing. That means it is the starter. And I called a mechanic, and he was saying it's the electronic steering lock. Thank God it wasn't. If you hear that sound, that zip, then it's the starter. All right. So I'm gonna toss this on. I'll be right back. This is my starter. Got it from Advanced Auto Parts. It's remanufactured. I don't think you have to go OEM with this one. I just went ahead and, a starter's a starter. If it was like an AC compressor or an alternator, I probably would have went OEM, but it's a starter. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if you gotta forgive me, cause I'm doing this solo dolo. All right. So I'm back under the car, and test that down there. Yeah, this was not too hard. You know what, let me make sure that the battery is not connected. I don't want to fry myself. By the way, to undo these screws, you're gonna need an E14 socket. You're gonna need an E14 socket. All right, going back under. All right, here I go. Mystical song. There we go. Right there. Now I'm gonna put this screw in. All right, I'll get back to y'all when I screw this back in.